Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the base silhouette and working non-destructively. Create your main shape on a fresh layer, then duplicate it twice, one for depth, one for shadow, one for highlight. Use a hard brush for the outline and a solid fill to establish volume quickly. Once done, set the duplicated depth layer to multiply and the highlight layer to add or screen. This lets you paint light and shadows separately. Make sure to organize layers into a folder labeled 3D Core before moving on. Now you sculpt the form. Create clipping masks for your shadow and highlight groups so every stroke stays inside the base. Start with a soft, low-opacity brush to lay down gradual core shadows along the shape's curvature, then add small hard strokes where surfaces meet for occlusion. For an extruded 3D look, duplicate the base, nudge it down right by a few pixels, fill with a darker tone, and repeat for layered depth. Then merge those duplicates into an extrude layer, and use Gaussian blur sparingly to soften the edge. Finish by defining light and polish. Add narrow rim highlights where light catches, and use a soft add layer to suggest bloom. Smudge with low strength to blend midtones but preserve sharp occlusion lines. You can also paint specular dots for glossy materials. Use the transform tool to skew or perspective warp your extruded layers so the 3D reads correctly. If things look wrong, check layer blending modes and flatten a copy. Resample at higher resolution and reapply edge cleanup before exporting your final PNG.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.